I really can't tell if this vest is giving cool Instagram chick that knows about fashion or if it's just giving baby bib. Don't let me know. Don't let me know. Hey Corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Gross. Alright, so before we get started, let's get into the song of the mythic week. Actually, this one is might be album, maybe like a whole fucking EP of the week, because I really can't pick a song out of this whole thing. I'm talking about the EP I Hope You're Very Unhappy Without Me by Maria Isabel. This girl is so fucking cute and her vocals are so beautiful and angelic and peaceful. And this whole EP feels like a very long song. The transitions are so smooth and every song is so similar. It feels like a continuation of each song feels like a continuation of the song before it. It's very much like sad girl R&B with a sprinkle of, like, you know, those Latin American ballads. Yeah, that's what it is. I love it. Love her. She's so cute. Love her very much. That's it. Let's carry on. All right, so as you saw by the title of today's video, today we're trying something new. We're trying a cute little new styling technique. It was a bit of an experiment for me, but I mean, I don't want to spoil it for ya, but the results spoke for themselves. I'm obviously talking about gel layering. This styling technique is nothing new at all. It's very similar to the 1, 2, 3 gel technique. The whole point of this technique is to achieve better hold, better definition, and create the type of gel cast that will assure your curls or waves are gonna last for like up to 4 to 5 days. Let me transfer you to Nemesis from a few days ago. She's gonna show you how I did the whole thing, and she's gonna be doing little 2nd, 3rd, and 4th day check-ins so that you guys see if this technique actually is worth it and if it works on wavy hair. Hey, that was too much. Let's do that again. Hey, so as you can see, I already washed my little hair. As I already said, this is my first time doing this little layering gel situation experiment thing. So for my defining cream, I'm gonna go with a very reliable one that I know will not fail me no matter what I do. You know, I don't know at what point in time I all of a sudden started applying my defining cream like this. Like doing the praying hands, is that what it's called? Praying hands method, where you just kind of smooth it and then scrunch it. I feel like it helps me distribute the product everywhere on the section of hair, like not just on some parts. You know what? I think you understand what I'm saying. Also, a little bonus tip, when I feel like my hair is drying like faster than usual, I do this. I grab my defining cream, whatever product I'm gonna put on, and then I add water to it. Like add plenty of water, emulsify it so that even if my hair feels like it's getting drier, the product is still being activated with the water. Okay, now that that's done, let's get to what we actually came here for, layering gels. So all the gals that I saw doing this would usually layer first a light hold gel, and then on top they would put a stronger hold gel. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is my favorite light hold gel, the one from Lisa's Curls. Should I section my hair? Yes, hold on. Just give me 1 second. Cute. Okay. I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I told you guys about that tip of putting water on the gel directly. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing, the same way that I applied my defining cream. I'm just gonna run it through and then scrunch. All right, okay, we got some good little clumps in there, some good little waves forming already. Good shit. Let me do the same on the other side. Let's go now with the 2nd layer of gel. So this is my current favorite stronghold gel, the Diva Curl Supreme Defining Gel. Bro, the hold on this shit, unbeatable. I'm a little scared because I've never done this, so I don't want to overdo it. So I'm just gonna apply very little of the stronghold gel. I'm just trying to play it safe, because I really want this to work. I did the exact same thing. I put some gel and then mixed it up with some water, activated it, and now I'm just gonna do the same thing. Ooh, that felt weird. That felt so weird because with the first layer of the light hold gel, I could already feel the cast forming, and then just putting more gel on top felt weird. I didn't like that experience, but okay. Let's just trust the process. Let's trust the process. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm sorry I'm making you watch this. I don't know. All right, same thing on the other side. All right, it's done. Let's take care of this top layer. Okay, I'm gonna have to re-wet her. She's too dry. What the heck? Why is my hair drying so quick? All right, let's do this shit. I look ridiculous. It's okay. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Just gonna put the light hold gel first. You already saw how I did it, so let's just speed through it. Okay, first layer of gel has been applied. Now, I'm gonna add an extra step before putting the second layer of stronghold gel. I'm gonna use my Denman brush. I'm not gonna do it all over my head. I'm just gonna do it with some pieces of hair that I know are gonna need some extra help. So I'm just gonna do the ribbon style. Apparently that's the name of it. The ribbon style Denman brush styling. So you're just gonna grab the piece of hair and make sure that there's, you know, tension between the brush and the root of your hair. You kind of pull it, brush through it, and then do this little curve at the end. Let it fall, do this to it, and then scrunch it back up. Please don't ask me the science behind this because I don't understand it, but it works. I'm gonna do it again with this little piece of hair just so that you guys see it again. All right, so you see the tension between the roots and the brush. Brush it upwards. And boom. And then you do this, scrunch it back up. All right, I'm done. Let's add the second layer of a stronghold gel. Same thing, gonna do this, and then scrunch it back up. Okay, we're done. We're done. Both layers of gel have been applied all over my hair. This feels so goddamn weird. I've never used this much gel before. Ooh. Let me just try to do my little towel squishing thingy. Wow. I mean, I can already tell that this wash day is different because this is not usually how my hair looks like right before diffusing it. Like, it's never this wavy. Like, that's kind of crazy. Bitch, this better fucking work. All right, so I'm gonna go diffuse. We'll see how intense this gel cast is. We'll see. Give me 1 second. Okay, so she is intense. My hair is completely dry, but like this cast, bro, this cast is all crazy. She's all crazy. This is good though. This is what we wanted. This is what we were looking for. And this one is especially for my girls that are so scared of their hair being crunchy from gel, especially if you live in humid weather. Creating a cast of gel and sometimes leaving it on for like hours can protect your hair from getting extra frizzy. But okay, I'm gonna get rid of it now because I want to see the finished result, and to do so I'm gonna use one of my favorites, the Moringa Treatment Oil. So I'm gonna use like around 3 drops of that oil, warm it up with my hands, and then start like smoothing it over. The oil is gonna start breaking the cast of gel, and then you can just like start scrunching it. And like immediately, almost immediately, you're gonna start feeling the cast breaking and your hair feeling a lot softer and way less crunchy. And boom, you see how easy that was? That literally took like 15 seconds or something like that. And that's it, the cast is already fully gone. I'm just left with smooth, bouncy, very well-defined clumps of waves and curls and whatever, and all my different little patterns. And after all that scrunching, look at the difference. This is my hair fully scrunched out, no more gel cast whatsoever, and then this is completely untouched. You see that there's a big difference in volume. I mean, this one is elevated, this one is completely flat, almost glued to my head. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on that side. Okay, I think that was my last little scrunch. And now we're good, we're Gucci. I am so happy with this result. All right, so in my humble opinion, this technique already checked 2 boxes for me. The first one was that it had to give me a fucking gel cast because, bitch, would you imagine that I put on all that gel and it didn't give me a cast? Ooh, we were gonna fight. And second thing, it just gave me an overall beautiful wash day turnout. It gave me the two things that I always look for, volume and definition, especially definition, bro. The third one is longevity. I wanna see if this actually increases the longevity of my waves and curls on second, third, and fourth day hair. If they are the same exact thing that I get with only using one gel, I don't know, this might not be worth it. But I mean, if it looks better than what it usually would, I'm gonna have to do this on every wash day. I don't know. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna end this today here and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for my day 2 check-in. Bye. Hey, it's day 2, bitch. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me first show you proof that it is the second day. Don't mind me, I was playing Adele, but I don't know if you can see right there, September 28th. Yesterday was September 27th. I know I didn't show you the damn date, but there's proof. I posted this yesterday and the date is right there, September 27th. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, my hair is already getting a little bit frizzy, but listen to me, okay? Okay, it is pouring outside, child. It is pouring. Actually, I can just literally show you. Look at that little wet window. Yeah, exactly. And I stepped outside this morning for like 5 to 10 minutes to walk my dog and my little frizz was already activating, but I didn't lose any definition. Like, my little ringlets are still there. My little waves are still intact. We are still good. So I mean, okay, gel layering technique, I think she's working. I'm obviously not gonna refresh today, I don't think I need it, but I will put a little bit of this oil mist. This one is from Ceremonia. Right before I leave to try to seal in as much moisture as possible because it's gonna be raining all day. Anyways, that's it. Second day hair, approved. We'll see how tomorrow looks like. I'm scared. Hello and welcome to day 3 hair. Okay. So we're looking a little crazy, okay? It's okay. Let's do a little analysis. I know it's looking crazy. Look at this fucking frizz. This is insane. We're gonna deal with that situation. But compared to what my day 3 hair usually looks like without all that double layering of gel, I don't hate it because I still have my definition. My clumps are still together. My waves are still wavy. There's no limp situation going on, and that is usually what I deal with on day 3 hair. So it's easier for me to deal with this than to deal with limp waves that need to be brought back to life. You know what I mean? But the reason why my hair is extra frizzy today is because of the circumstances of yesterday. As I mentioned, yesterday was raining all day and I was outside all day. I was working. I'm just gonna be refreshing with a little bit of water and a little bit of my Guava Rescue Spray from Ceremonia. And now I'm just going to evenly spray this all over these super frizzy bits. Smooth it over, scrunch it up. I feel like already it's looking so much better. So much more control. Same thing on the other side. All right, and that's it. Already the frizz is way more under control. I'm just gonna let this air dry. I'll be back when my hair is dry. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. My hair is it's pretty dry already. I think I like it way better now. Like, you can see that there's like the tiniest bit of frizz. Hello, sun, why? I closed the curtain a little bit. I hope you can see me better. Anyways, it's just looking a whole lot better. Like, the frizz is way more under control. I can step out of the house looking like this and it's not gonna be like, oh, she woke up and didn't do anything to her hair. She just... And I mean, for 3rd day hair, this is really good for me, bro. This is really good for me because normally on 3rd day hair, I don't have this kind of definition going on. So far, this gel technique is doing it for me. It's doing it for me. So we'll see tomorrow. I think that'll be the final day. See you tomorrow, sis. I forgot to show you the date. It's September 29. Right there, see? I'm not lying. I'm not trying to fool you. Okay, bye. Hi. Welcome to day 4 hair, ladies and gents. Listen to me. This is not ideal. Look at this amount of frizz, Jesus Christ. But this is not usually how my day 4 hair looks like. Day 4 hair after my regular wash day without the double layering of gels would usually look more like puffy triangle hair. Meaning I would have very flat roots and then just puffy, really undefined waves. And that's not what I have right now. Yes, they are puffy, they are a little bit frizzy, but you can clearly still see them. You can see the definition still in my hair, and they don't feel weighed down. They don't feel like I have product overload. I know it's very frizzy because I just have dry hair, but I could save this. But today I don't have the time, first of all, and I'm gonna have a very long shift today at work, so I don't really want to deal with my hair. I just kind of want to put it up. I'll put a picture here of what I'm planning to do on my hair. But in conclusion, I am definitely gonna keep using this double gel layering technique on my wash days. Absolutely, because to even have the option to have a good hair day on 4th day hair and maybe try to extend it to 5th day hair and still look good, unheard of for me. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna pass you along to Nemesis from the future to give you the final thoughts and a proper goodbye. I forgot again to show you the date. It is September 30th. Evidence, receipts, never lying. Okay, bye. Hi, welcome back. Wasn't that a journey? Wasn't that an experience? Today is actually 5th day hair from all those clips. Today is October 1st. Hello? Yeah, there we go. October 1st. So yeah, on 5th day hair, I gave up. I took out that ponytail and those little braids that I had, put it up in a bun, because girl, it's time for wash day. I'm like a year and something into my natural hair journey and I'm still learning new things. Look at that. Look at that. So I really hope that this was helpful for you too, if you learned something new. If you give this a try, please let me know your results. DM me on Instagram, send me pictures, like, let me know. I want to know if this actually works for different types of wavy hair, not just mine, like different densities, different porosities, etc, etc. So please let your girl know, because this is fun for me. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more pictures of my face and more random shit. And most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.